Come on, come on. Just pump, just pump. Keep pumping, bro. Come on. We need to make it to $52,000 market cap, bro. I'm trying to get a new car. Come on, man. I'm going to retire my family with this, bro. Just a couple more buyers. All right, boom. Okay, remove liquidity. Let's check our wallet. Bro, we just made. Just look at my insane phantom wallet. All I've done in the past 30 days was launch Memecoins on a secret website on the Solana blockchain. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how you can do it yourself. This video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can make your own coin on the Solana blockchain. And it will generate you a lot of money. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is a guide on how to launch meme coins and how to carpet them. The thing that most people will not tell you about these meme coins is that the traders will never make the real money. It is the token creators that will truly make the money. And by the way, what the hell is this coin? If we go over to the website coinlabs.fun, this website will help you guys creating your own coins. So the thing that separates this website from others is first, that it's not a scam, and second, that it doesn't require any coding. And when your coin is created on this website, your liquidity pool gets put to Radium. Now what Radium is, we're just gonna go on Pump.Fun. What Radium is it's a liquidity pool
for
kids
coins,
died,
it's like,
for coins that have gotten through the bonding curve. And what the bonding curve is basically when your coin hits like, well, here it says, yeah, so when your coin hits like 90k on Pump.Fun, the liquidity pool gets transferred over to Radium, and Radium holds bigger coins such as Doge, dog with hat, other things like that we can see on a deck screener. If we go over to deck screener, so for example, on the watch list I made a couple months ago, yeah, so Bonk, Peanut, Chill Guy, Fred, all of those nice coins are on the Radium. And what that means for your coin is that when your coin will be created, it will get more attention and more views from other people, so your coin will actually stand out from others, because on Pump.Fun, basically, like, people can like legit just make some dog shit ass coins like these. And when you create your coin, if you create your coin on Pump.Fun, it's like if your coin gets put in this ocean of other dog shit coins. Even though your coin is actually good, even though your meme coin is actually good, your community will have a hard time finding it if you don't give them the code for your coin, the token address for your coin. Now coming back to the website. Now there are two ways you can make your coins. One, you can be original, find a narrative on X and make your own coin here. And there's the second option, which is way easier and they have the same amount of returns, is the copy trending coin tab. So what's in this tab is hundreds of coins that have been found by the website, and it finds the ones that are proven to generate money. Now the best coins for you to copy are the ones that have a last bought in less than 15 seconds ago. If you refresh, you have to get one that has 15 seconds ago, or more or less 15 seconds. Now, if we were going to create our own meme coin, this is how we would do it. So, you write a random ass token name. Obviously, if you are making a real one, please write your real token name. Then add an image. I'm just gonna use a thumbnail for a video I made. Next, the token decimals must be kept at 9. And the total supply at 1 billion. Now there is another option. You can put the total supply to 900 million tokens. That means that 100 million tokens will be kept in your wallet, so you'll keep the supply, a bit of it, and you'll keep a bit more money at the end. But when you create your coin and you add the money into the coin and the liquidity, you will be making it all back, so do not worry. Then write a token description for your coin. Next, add a website, a Twitter, a Telegram, or a Discord if you have any. If it is a narrative you found on Twitter, add the Twitter link inside of here. Then do not touch any of these options because they will make your coin more legit, so keep them all selected. Then all you have to do is connect your wallet and create the token. Now, I am not affiliated with this website in any shape or form. I'm just making videos on it because it actually works, and I made coins on other websites and I actually got scammed. So thank you for watching, and join my Telegram down below, subscribe, and create your first coin on tokenlabs.fun. Link is in bio. See you in the next one. Peace.